Hey there, ready to make your TP-Link Kasa devices best friends with Amazon Alexa? Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Kasa app installed and you're signed in to your TP-Link account. Set up your Kasa devices using the app and make sure they're connected. Next, open your Amazon Alexa app and tap on the home icon in the bottom right. Then, hit the plus icon at the top right and choose Add Device. Select Kasa Smart and tap Continue. Alexa will ask for permission, so tap Enable to Use, enter your Kasa account details, and hit Authorize. Once linked, Alexa will confirm that TP-Link Kasa has been successfully linked. Tap Done, then Set Up Device. You can assign your device to a group or skip this step. Now let's test it out. For example, if you named a Kasa bulb Little Bulb, say Alexa, turn on Little Bulb. If things aren't going smoothly, try rebooting your smart gadget and have Alexa search again. Make sure your internet is stable and the remote control settings are active. And there you have it. You've just connected your TP-Link Kasa devices to Amazon Alexa. Enjoy controlling your smart home with your voice. If this guide was helpful, toss us a like and subscribe for more tech goodness. Thanks for hanging out with us.